In the race for a COVID-19 vaccine, China has already started injecting people before a vaccine is even proven safe. It's believed that hundreds of thousands of Chinese citizens have now been injected. As Janice Mackey-Freyer tells us, it's a shot in the dark many seem willing to take.
Thousands of people given unproven COVID-19 vaccines, like medical staff, government workers, the military, after China's government granted emergency use to 3 Chinese vaccines in development. This rush to inoculate before risks are fully known is troubling to experts in the U.S. But Sinovac, one of the companies supplying doses to the government, sees it as part of their research. I have 80% confidence that the vaccine can provide protection for everyone, says the company's CEO.
So the cells are growing in here?
Yeah. China is pouring billions into COVID-19 vaccine development and has an ownership stake in most of the potential vaccines in late-stage trials. Sinovac says its CoronaVac should be ready for distribution by early next year. Such wide-scale use outside of traditional drug trials has left U.S. experts wary.
Claims of having a vaccine ready to distribute before you do testing, I think, is problematic at best.
The FDA says it will move more cautiously, despite pressure from President Trump to fast-track.
You want to see a large phase 3 trial. Only then will you know whether the vaccine is safe and effective.
Emergency use here is also a test of how willing people are to take a vaccine after a recent scandal with faulty booster shots for children. Chinese health officials have said little about how they track and monitor vaccine recipients for possible side effects. The protocol for who gets the vaccine under emergency use here isn't exactly clear. Sinovac, the company we toured, says it will have trial data from its trials in Brazil by November. They're testing on people in at least 3 other countries because the infection rate here is now too low.
COVID-19 is making Americans drink literally, and new data from the RAND Corporation shows alcohol consumption has soared since shutdowns began, especially among women. A national survey conducted in the spring found the overall frequency of drinking was 19% higher than the same time in 2019. But what's even more troubling, women increased their heavy drinking episodes by a whopping 41%. A British company that makes jetsuits is adding a superhuman touch to emergency responders. Take a look. Paramedics in England's rugged remote areas have been testing its jetsuit capabilities in emergency situations, one involving a young girl who suffered a leg injury. The jetsuit paramedic was able to navigate the rocky hills and reach the girl in 90 seconds. It would take 25 minutes to reach that spot on foot. The suit, however, has an altitude limit of 12,000 feet.